welcome to my channel again. Today we are going to cook black beans amanjai, and we are going to mix them with potato. Let's go to our ingredients of the day. We have black beans amanjai. I've cooked them and mashed them already. We have our potatoes. I've also cooked them and mashed them. As you've seen in my videos, napenda sana blend my tomatoes. So today we are going to blend tomatoes, onions, garlic. Kuna tangawizi hapa. Kuna pilipili hoho na coriander stems. And then the leaves are here. We are going to use them in the mash. We are going to eat our mashed black beans with some matumbo. We are also going to cook matumbo. We have some seasonings. We have paprika, garam masala, coriander powder. And then we have our kitunguu yenye tutakuwa tutakanga nayo tumbo. We have oil and kitunguu. Let's first blend our tomato so that when we start cooking the matumbo, everything will be ready. So we blend the tomatoes and our pilipili hoho, our coriander root stems. Then can continue from there. We'll blend our, can add some kidogo water, some small amounts of water, then we blend. We've blended our mixture, our tomatoes and the rest of the mixture. Now let's heat our pan and we start cooking. As the pan is heating, we can mix our black beans with our potatoes. I do mixing. I mix them so that at least the black beans can be a bit sticky. Isikuwe imeachana sana. So we can mix the two as we wait for our pan to heat. Our pan is heating already. We can continue cooking our onions. Bado as we continue mixing our black beans and potatoes. If you want your black beans to boil faster, you can add a pinch of bicarbonate. It acts as a softener, or else you can soak them for a while. That makes them a bit softer. Si vile watu wanasema eti vinauzwa kwa, they should be sold in a hardware. No, if you soak them or you put some bicarbonate, they cook very fast. We are also going to add a bit of onions in our mixture, in our mash, in our beans and onion mash, beans and potato mash. Let's add a bit of kitunguu here so that we can just reduce kidogo we add in our mash. If you have butter, you can also add, but for this recipe, I'm not going to add butter. I will just add oil in our beans and onions. For those who know black beans, they are known to be so nutritious, and especially for the mothers who have small kids. You know what I mean? If you take them just come back with the testimony of milk. So should try it. If you have a small baby, try it and come back and give us the testimony. I said I love kitunguu. That's why I'm cooking them, and then I've still blended some in my tomato puree. I've added some because I really love onions. We are not going to add the garlic here. I've added it in the tomatoes and tangawizi. I've added both there, so we are not going to add in our kitunguu. Let's wait our kitunguu to cook as we mix. Our mixture is done, and this is how it looks like. It's mixed kabisa. So at this point we can add some few onions. We add here. Si lazima. Just for me, I just love onions, as I said. So, and then it makes it softer. Nikiongeza mafuta. So this is the same onions we're going to make our matumbo with. So we are not going to take all of the onions. That is enough. At this point, we can add our spices. Said garam masala, paprika, coriander. Yes. So we can add them there. On this stage, we can also add our coriander leaves and our black beans. Then tubakisha kidogo ya our matumbo. And now add our tomato puree. Just love blending tomatoes. Don't like the taste of blended tomatoes. These are my pieces kubwa. Don't like it. So give it time to cook as we stir our black beans. Njai. This is another way of cooking njai. So instead of cooking them kama mboga, you can cook them like the main meal. Do you call it main meal, ama? What do you call it? Comment in the comment section and tell me how I should call it. Don't know if it's the main meal, ama. I don't know what I'm supposed to call it. Yes, let's give it time to cook as we mix our black beans. We can check if our tomatoes are ready. They're not yet. Give it some few minutes. At least the water to reduce in size. Our nyanya is ready. So now we can add our matumbo. I said I'd already boiled them. So nikuweka tu zingiane na flavor. We will not make the soup to be so kidogo because we are eating something dry. Hizo black beans ni dry kidogo, so you still need some stew. So give it some time to boil kidogo tu, then we will be done. Our stew is ready. You can now serve. But before we serve, sprinkle some coriander. It does not need to cook. You can just sprinkle it. Then stir kidogo. We're good to go. So we can serve our matumbo. As I said, hii lazima ikuwe na kasupu kidogo because the beans are a bit dry. We're done. You can switch off our gas. As you can see, our food is ready. See though it's beautiful. Boneni hizo maharagwe. Hizo ni njai. You can see. Njai and some matumbo. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time. It's a bye-bye.